How to make your first 1 million naira as a stay-at-home wife in Nigeria or any part of the world, whether you're trying to supplement your family's income or you're trying to save for something special or you just want to provide for yourself, then this video is for you. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Anniyonu. I am a Nigerian businesswoman who has successfully built an 8-figure business in Nigeria. First things first, let's talk about mindset. Making 1 million naira in Nigeria as a stay-at-home wife is possible. You just need to adopt the mindset of growth. Also, you need to start believing in yourself. Some of us come from very toxic family or friendship groups where a lot of people have told us that you cannot amount to anything, you're not good enough. A lot of terrible things have been said to you and put in your head for you to think that, I can't really amount to anything. I want you to know something. Me, Anne, sitting down here today in front of you, talking to you, I am a living testimony of somebody that nobody was expecting to turn out the way I turned. But look at me today. I am doing what I love, traveling the world, making money. Married to the most amazing husband. I've been able to grow my business to earning 8 figures. When I say that you need to adopt a mindset of growth, it is very important. The next step is identifying your skill and passion. What are you good at? What can you do? What is that thing that comes to you naturally without you trying? Is it content creation? Is it cooking? Is it organizing? Sister Nkechi, do you know you can get paid just to come to my house to help me organize my pantry, my wardrobe, or my closet? Do you know you can get paid? Yes, it's money. So if you're really good with organizing people, organizing people's life, I personally pay somebody to help me organize certain parts of my life, like certain parts of my business, certain parts of my life. I pay somebody to help me organize it. Yes, that person just earns money just to make sure my life, some aspects of my life is organized. I just want you to know that there's a market for anything. Is it baking? Do you love to bake cakes, cupcakes, anything at all you love to bake? There's a market for you. For me personally, what I enjoy doing is business. I enjoy making money. If that is a passion, I enjoy making money. I enjoy trying to change 1 million naira to 20 million naira, 100 million naira to 300 million naira. That is my passion. Making money, marketing too. I love to market a lot. A lot of people tell me that business and marketing comes to me naturally because it is what I studied in school. If I tell you that the business management I studied in the university is not even what I'm using running my business or anything, I had to grow that skill. I had to learn content creation from scratch. I had to learn marketing from scratch. Anything you see about me on social media, I had to learn it from scratch. I did not just wake up one day. It is not because I learned it in the university. I had to learn it from scratch. So I want you to think about something that comes to you naturally and you can turn that into a profitable business or anything at all. The next step is research and learning. Once you've identified your skill or passion, it is now time for you to research and learn. Also, you need to look up successful people who are making money in similar skill or field. So if it's a business you want to start up, look up successful people in that line of business. So if it's, let's say you want to start baking, you want to start a baking business, go on Instagram, find somebody that is already a baker, an established baker, check what they are doing differently, how they create content, how they put out content. Don't go and do copy and paste. Yes, we are not foolish people here. You can take their ideas, refine it, try to put your own twist and your own feel to what you see them do, and then you can post it on your own platform. Also, you need to watch tutorials, read books, buy online courses if necessary. For me, I am not a big reader. If that book is not a self-development book or is not a business book, I don't want it. I don't want to read it. I cannot relate. So investing in yourself is the first key to being financially independent. The next step is starting small. Just start that business. You don't need to have that big physical location. You can start from the comfort of your home. You can start with as little as 100,000, 50,000 naira. If you love to bake, you can even start with, let's say, 25,000 naira, you can start baking. Take orders from your family and friends, charge them. They should pay you a fee for baking that birthday cake or that anniversary cake. Charge them for it. If you want to become a content creator, you don't need all the filming equipment or the filming gear. People that have followed me on TikTok from my OG days, I started with just my phone and a tripod. I did not have lighting. I did not have anything. It was recently, the camera I'm currently recording with was gifted to me by my husband on Valentine's Day this year. I started filming with this camera. I was creating content with my iPhone 13 Pro, my tripod and my phone were the only equipment I was having. You don't need to start fancy. The key here is to start. And as you go on, you learn on the job. You get better as you keep trying to create more content about your business. You get better with time. And you need to also stay consistent. It is very important. You need to stop waiting for the perfect time because there's no perfect time. The next step is utilizing social media. Social media is your best friend when it comes to marketing. The power of social media cannot be overemphasized. Social media gives you an access to a wide range of audience. All you need to do is to be consistent, post your product on all those social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace. Let me tell you something. It is better for you to sit in the comfort of your home making money. I have a lot of friends who make money from the comfort of their home and they don't have a physical location anywhere. They run everything from their house. Do you know it is easier to run your business from your house than it is to run from a physical store? It is extremely difficult. A lot of people I know have big, beautiful stores and these people are not making a penny out of it. Do you want to look like somebody that has money or is making money, or you actually want to make money? Think about it. What social media does for your business, it helps you showcase your product without having to have a physical location. And it's not just posting. You also need to engage your audience. You need to be consistent. Consistency is the key here. Finally, managing your finances. Making money is great, but managing it is very important, especially when you're trying to reach that 1 million naira mark. Try to keep track of your earnings and your expenses. How you can do this is not rocket science at all. Buy a notebook. You can buy a notebook, just write Monday, all the things you spend money on, whether it's going to shop, buy slippers, buy makeup, eat, do something in the house. Just make sure you write it down. That way you will be able to track your expenses and know how you spend your money. Also, when it comes to your business, make sure you reinvest your profits back into your business. Don't eat your capital. As soon as you start making that money, remove your capital, put it in a different account. It is very important because that's where you start making mistakes, and then you hear people say things like, I don't have money to start my business. I don't even know where my money went to. You know where your money went to. You just did not keep track of it. There you have it. Practical steps to help you make your first 1 million naira as a stay-at-home wife, living in Nigeria or any part of the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.